we're doing another Stone Temple Pilots one, because why not? And these patrons had a bit of a say in it, so I thought we'd do this one as well. It came such a close second to Dead and Bloated, which we did last week. I thought I'd do this one as well. It's a nice, easy acoustic one. One tricky chord, which is that bad boy there, but we will come to that in a second. Let's learn this, shall we? So the chords for the intro and the verse part: C, that is a B7. If you imagine that 7 shape, but tend to have the F sharp on the top as well. And then to the E minor. So the intro slowly is this. So the rhythm then is down, 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 up, change, up, down, down, down. Again. Down, 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 up, change. So that's not too difficult in terms of rhythm, but that chord may give you a bit of problems. Gives me problems. So just practice changing between the two. Unfortunately, all your fingers need to move. So it's a good one to practice that. Then when you get into the main verse, it just flips around the order. So you basically start with the E minor for 2 bars, then you go to the C to the B. So the verse then. Okay, so that's what you want to aim for. It's very loose, don't worry too much about it, but just try and get that down, 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 up, up, down, down, down. All the way through, okay? In terms of the verse structure, you play that part around 4 times, and then you hang on the E minor for, I think, 4 bars. But it goes into a kind of Wonderwall bit, and I know this was written before Wonderwall, so perhaps that was some inspiration, who knows. But basically it goes like this. You know, something along those lines. I think what I've tabbed is this. So mix that up as you wish. So there's a couple of options for you there. And then you go into the chorus part, which is G to A minor, and you take your first finger off, making that an A sus2, then to the E7, or E minor 7, sorry. So you do that twice, and then the third time you're going to add on a C to D, which would be. So let's go through that whole bit to speed. 3, 4. Alright, and then you've got this lovely arpeggiated part, which goes. That's lovely, and that's played on the electric, but you can play it on the acoustic as well. No one will mind. Now you're going to play 0 2 0. And that pattern is the same throughout, so it's E, A, D, E. Okay, or if you imagine 1, 2, 3, 1, you're going to play 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, and then you play 2 on the A and 2 on the D, right? So you start with your second finger, I use my second anyway, on the second fret on the A. Take it off, plonk it down on the next string down. Slide it up 1 fret and put your first finger down to make a bottom half of a G shape. You could leave your second finger where it is if you want, or just abandon it and play 0, 2, 0, 2 on the A and D. Repeat around. Second time you play 0, 1, 2 on the A string. So the whole thing round slowly. And that is it. So to speed again. I'm just using alternate picking there. Super lovely and awesome. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon. Bye bye.